Hi Abdi, this is your news. So, what I'd like to do today is to speak about a lad cried Chris Gilmour. So, Ken, he's done an awful lot of good for Scots and the Halo Scots community. He scrivet a frequency dictionary for Scots and a rhyming dictionary. And Ken, he's an awful passionate person about Scots. If you dinna ken about his work, ging and hae a look, read through it, and ging and support him. Ken, let him ken fu good a loon he is. Ken, he's doing amazing things for Scots. And if you didn't ken about his work, just ging and hae a look. And that's what we hate to do in the Scots community. Ken, it's just a band together, Ken, and just make a positive community. Ken, for we're helping, Ken, each other just do more things in Scots. Ken, fit why nae? Ken, that's what we want to do. Ken, it's been hour long that Scots has been trodden down. And I winna hae it being trodden down by other folk in the Scots community. We're nae gonna do it. Ken, hae a look at Chris Gilmour's stuff. It's amazing.